Are you having problems starting your Roborock S7 robot vacuum, even though you've tried many times? Do you suspect it's a problem inside, but don't know how to find out and need help? There's no need to worry though. We'll show you how we took care of this problem and how we fixed it. Initially, our customer contacted us saying that his Roborock S7 robot vacuum wouldn't start. We then took over the robot vacuum and started figuring out what's wrong. Here's what we found when we disassembled the robot vacuum. Look at this fan. It's seen better days, all because of water damage. We also checked every part of the robot vacuum and found water damage, which is why it won't work. Not just that, the PCB was faulty and even the battery was swollen. It was a total robot disaster. But fear not, we're here to provide solutions. We recommended PCB, fan, and battery replacement. Not only that, we found that the internals of the robot vacuum were extremely dirty. So for optimal results, we recommended that a deep cleaning service. After we inform our customer of our recommendations, we start the repair and service as soon as they agree. Finally, the robot vacuum works flawlessly with maximum performance. After returning robots to customers, they are happy with the performance, as the robot now works great. Are you having the same problem? Let us be your solution.